Today I am reviewing Samsung 32-inch monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to monitors, Samsung has always been a trusted name, and the new Samsung 32-inch flat computer monitor, model LS32B304NWNXGO, is no exception. This 2024 release strikes an excellent balance between performance, size, and eye comfort, making it a versatile option for work, entertainment, and even some light gaming. If you're looking for a monitor that delivers strong visuals without breaking the bank, this one deserves a closer look. Let's begin with the design. The monitor features a sleek, three-sided borderless display, giving it a clean, modern look that easily blends into any setup. Whether you're building a home office, a gaming station, or simply upgrading your desk, the nearly gapless bezels are a welcome touch. If you use more than one monitor side by side, this design ensures a seamless viewing experience without distracting borders. It also comes in a flat panel with a matte, anti-glare coating, which helps cut down reflections in bright rooms. Now, moving on to the display performance. This Samsung monitor comes with a 32-inch Full HD panel at 1920 by 1080 resolution. While it's not 4K, the large screen real estate combined with Full HD still provides clear and sharp visuals for everyday computing, office tasks, streaming videos, and casual gaming. The monitor offers a 16:9 aspect ratio and a wide 178-degree viewing angle, meaning the picture remains consistent even when viewed from the sides. The brightness level of 250 nits is sufficient for most indoor environments, and the impressive 4,000:1 contrast ratio helps deliver deeper blacks and brighter whites, making movies and games look more dynamic. One of the highlights of this monitor is its performance with motion and gaming. It has a 75 Hz refresh rate, which is a step above the standard 60 Hz. That means smoother visuals, less stutter, and more fluid animations. For gamers, this can make a real difference in responsiveness. Pair that with AMD FreeSync technology, and you'll notice less screen tearing and stuttering, especially when paired with a compatible graphics card. To add to that, Samsung includes a dedicated game mode, which automatically optimizes colors, contrast, and brightness to reveal hidden details in dark areas. This can give you a small but meaningful edge in competitive gaming. Let's not forget about eye comfort, which is an area where Samsung consistently delivers. The monitor comes with flicker-free technology, which eliminates the invisible screen flicker that can cause fatigue over time. It also has an eye saver mode, which reduces harmful blue light emissions. If you spend hours in front of your computer for work, study, or long gaming sessions, these features will help reduce strain, making it easier to focus and stay comfortable. Connectivity is another strong point. This monitor includes both HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, ensuring compatibility with desktops, laptops, gaming consoles, and even media devices. Having DisplayPort is especially useful for PC users, as it allows for higher refresh rates and better stability compared to HDMI alone. It's also wall-mountable, giving you flexibility to save desk space or set up a clean multi-monitor arrangement. In terms of everyday use, the Samsung LS32B304NWNXGO shines as a multipurpose monitor. For office and productivity tasks, the 32-inch size makes multitasking much easier. You can comfortably run multiple windows side by side without feeling cramped. For entertainment, the larger screen is immersive for movies and shows, while the strong contrast ratio makes visuals pop. For casual gamers, the 75 Hz refresh rate, FreeSync, and game mode deliver a surprisingly smooth experience without needing a high-end gaming monitor. Of course, no product is perfect, so let's touch on the pros and cons in a balanced way. On the positive side, the Samsung 32-inch monitor offers a large and immersive screen size, a modern borderless design, solid contrast, smooth performance with FreeSync, and excellent eye care features. It also provides both HDMI and DisplayPort connections, which makes it more versatile than some competitors. On the downside, the full HD resolution may feel stretched for some users on a 32-inch screen, especially compared to higher resolution options like Quad HD or 4K. Additionally, the 250 nit brightness is decent, but not ideal for very bright rooms with a lot of natural sunlight. Lastly, while 75 Hz is smoother than 60 Hz, competitive gamers may prefer monitors with 120 Hz or higher refresh rates. To wrap up, the Samsung 32-inch flat computer monitor LS32B304NWNXGO is a strong all-rounder for 2024. It is perfect for professionals who want more screen space, casual gamers who appreciate smoother performance, and anyone who values eye comfort during long hours of use. With its minimalist design, strong feature set, and reliable Samsung build quality, it's an excellent choice if you're looking for a large yet affordable monitor.